Writing for multiple audiences can be tricky, especially when you need to adjust your tone to fit each one. But with AI-powered tools, this task becomes a lot easier and more efficient. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to write for different audiences while tailoring your tone effortlessly using AI. First, let's talk about the importance of tone. Tone isn't just about the words you choose, but how they resonate with your audience. For example, a corporate audience expects professionalism and clarity, while a younger, more casual audience might prefer something lighthearted and fun. Now imagine doing this manually for multiple audiences. It can be a lot of work. But here's where AI-powered tools come in. AI software helps you instantly adapt your tone based on the preferences of your audience. You simply input your base text, choose the tone you want, be it formal, friendly, humorous, or authoritative, and the AI will adjust your writing to fit that style. It can even create different versions for different audiences, saving you loads of time. And what's great is, with the right AI tool, you can do this in a fraction of the time it would take to rewrite everything manually. Now, when you're using AI to write for multiple audiences, you want to make sure you're being specific about your needs. The software you use should offer the ability to customize the tone for each audience segment. This means you can target not just different ages, but also different industries or professional backgrounds. So let's say you're writing for both business owners and hobbyists. AI can help you shift the tone to suit both groups without rewriting the entire piece. One of the best features of AI-powered writing tools is their ability to make adjustments for readability. For instance, if you're writing for a younger crowd, AI can simplify the language and break down complex ideas into digestible bits. For professionals, the AI can maintain a higher level of sophistication while ensuring the content remains clear and compelling. The key takeaway here is that using AI to write for multiple audiences with tailored tones is an absolute game changer. You're able to customize your messages quickly, ensuring that they resonate with each group without sacrificing quality or style. This is how you can maximize your impact across various audiences without burning out or spending hours crafting individual versions of the same content. To recap, the software we're using helps you 1. Adjust your tone effortlessly for different audiences. 2. Save time by creating multiple versions of content. 3. Ensure your message is appropriate for any group, whether they're casual or professional. Before you go, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description below to try out the software we've been talking about. It's a great way to follow along with this tutorial and see the results for yourself. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial now.